What if I told you there's a simple massage you can do at home using nothing more than castor oil that can bring back stronger performance and better circulation? No pills, no complicated routines, just a few minutes of focused self-care that can make a real difference. I am Dr. Charlotte Hayes, and today I am going to show you how a castor oil spot massage can help improve blood flow, relax pelvic tension, and support your body's natural ability to perform. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which spot to massage, how to do it safely, and why it can be such a powerful addition to your nightly routine. Before we get into the massage itself, let us talk about why so many men notice changes after 50. Erections depend on strong circulation and relaxed, healthy pelvic muscles. But with age, blood vessels stiffen, the prostate can enlarge, and sitting for long hours weakens the muscles around the pelvis. This creates a perfect storm where blood flow is reduced, tension builds, and firmness becomes harder to achieve. The good news is that your body is still capable. It simply needs help, and one of the most effective ways to help is by encouraging circulation and releasing pelvic tension through massage. You might be wondering why castor oil. Castor oil has been used for centuries in traditional medicine as a natural remedy to improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and soothe tired or overworked tissues. It contains a unique fatty acid called ricinoleic acid, which is thought to be responsible for much of its healing power. When applied to the skin, castor oil penetrates deeply into the tissues where it stimulates blood flow and supports the removal of toxins and waste products that may have built up in the area. Another remarkable quality of castor oil is its ability to relax muscles and reduce swelling. For men who sit for long hours or experience tightness in the lower body, this soothing effect can release tension in the pelvic region and improve comfort. That relaxation is not only pleasant, it also directly helps blood vessels stay open, allowing circulation to move more freely. This is particularly important for erectile health since stiffness and congestion in the pelvis are two of the hidden obstacles to strong erections. For men over 50, this means castor oil is not just a moisturizer you keep in the bathroom cabinet. It becomes a practical tool to support healthy erections by creating the right environment for blood flow. When applied with a gentle massage to the lower abdomen and perineum, it prepares the body to deliver more blood into the penis during arousal. Over time, this simple practice can help counteract some of the natural changes that come with aging, making firmness easier to achieve and more reliable to maintain. Now, let us talk about the spot to massage. The most effective area is the lower abdomen and the pubic region right above the base of the penis, extending down toward the perineum, which is the area between the scrotum and the anus. This region is rich in blood vessels and directly connected to the prostate, the pelvic floor, and the arteries that supply the penis. By focusing on this zone, you are stimulating some of the most important pathways for circulation, relaxation, and performance. Here is how you do it. Warm a small amount of castor oil between your hands so that it feels soothing on the skin. Find a comfortable position, either lying down on your back with your knees slightly bent or standing in a relaxed posture. Place your fingers on the lower abdomen, just above the base of the penis. Begin to massage gently in small circles, allowing the oil to work its way into the skin. As you move, keep your touch steady but light, focusing on comfort rather than pressure. Slowly guide your hands downward toward the perineum, the sensitive area between the scrotum and the anus. Apply light but consistent pressure, almost as though you are smoothing tension out of the tissues. Continue this movement for at least 3 to 5 minutes, giving yourself time to relax and notice the warmth building in the area. If you prefer, you can extend this massage for up to 10 minutes as long as it remains comfortable. The goal is not force or speed. It is gentle, consistent stimulation that increases warmth, encourages blood flow, and loosens tight tissues that may be restricting circulation. Over time, This massage helps awaken the pelvic region, relieve pressure on the prostate, and improve responsiveness during arousal. Think of it as preparing the soil so the plant can grow stronger. By creating a healthier environment, your body can perform the way it was meant to. The best time to do this massage is in the evening before bed. At night, your body goes into repair mode. Hormones like testosterone peak during deep sleep, tissues rebuild, and circulation improves as your heart rate naturally slows. This is the window when your system restores itself. By doing the massage before sleep, you give your body a head start, allowing the castor oil to penetrate deeply and support the natural recovery processes that are already happening. The warmth and relaxation you create also help calm the nervous system, which means you are more likely to fall into deeper, more restorative rest. I recommend doing this massage 3 to 4 times per week. Consistency is far more important than intensity. Think of it like training a muscle or building a habit. Small, steady efforts create lasting change. Over time, you may notice firmer morning erections, less heaviness in the pelvic area, and greater ease during intimacy. Some men describe feeling more responsive and confident, not because of a sudden change, but because their body begins working the way it was meant to. Again, what is remarkable is that this massage not only benefits erections, it also supports prostate health. Gentle stimulation of the perineum and lower abdomen can relieve congestion in the prostate, encourage better fluid movement, and reduce some of the discomfort associated with swelling. For many men, that means fewer nighttime bathroom trips, less urinary straining, and a general feeling of ease in the lower body. And the benefits go beyond just sexual health. Some men even notice less tension in their lower back, improved posture, and a lighter, more energized feeling throughout the day after making this massage part of their routine. By opening circulation and reducing tightness in the pelvic region, the whole body feels more balanced. This is why I often remind my patients, it is not just about stronger erections, it is about creating a healthier foundation for overall vitality. So, let us bring this all together. Men over 50 rubbing this specific spot with castor oil is a simple, safe, and natural way to boost performance. By improving circulation, reducing tension, and supporting hormone balance, you give your body the conditions it needs to perform naturally. You do not need expensive pills or complicated treatments, just a few minutes of self-care that can change how you feel each morning and each night. So here is my challenge to you. Try this castor oil spot massage for the next 3 weeks. Stay consistent. Pay attention to how your body responds and notice the changes in your energy and performance. Sometimes the smallest habits bring the biggest results. I am Dr. Charlotte Hayes, and I want to thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more trusted practical advice on men's health, prostate care, and vitality after 50. Remember, your body is still capable of strength and confidence. You just have to give it the right